Okay, Sky, so here is your question here. We're always going to start with identifying the question. And so the question here is monthly payments. So I'm just going to put month pay, it's abbreviation, and we're going to state our path. Now, when we state our path, we're just pulling information from the problem. So the first piece I'm going to put is the cost of the car. I'm just going to call that C, and that's going to be 8,900. And then I'm going to put the second piece of information, 900 there, and then call that DP, down payment. So the key to this problem is, so whatever you put on your down payment, that amount you're not going to finance. So we're going to just subtract that 900 from the 8,900, and that's going to give us 8,000. So that is the cost of the car. Now, the other thing is, just as we've learned through lesson 6, is that we have to use these formulas, and of course they're provided to you on the test, but just knowing that in this situation, when you're looking at payment amounts and finance terms and that kind of stuff, you're looking at this formula here. Interest equals principal times rate times time. Rate is the percent or the rate you're paying on your loan. Time is the length of the loan, and the principal is the amount you're financing, the 8,000 there. Okay, so now we're just going to plug in the numbers. So 8,000 for principal. The rate, it tells us here, is 6.75. So we have to convert that to a decimal to 0.0675. And the time is 5 years. And so when you multiply that together, you get 2,700. Now, what's 2,700? Well, the formula's interest equals these things, so these things equal the interest. So the interest is the amount that you pay on top of the money that you initially borrowed. So you initially borrowed 8,000, and then you have to add the interest to that. So 8,000 plus 2,700 is 10,700. And then we have to come back here to the question, because we're looking for the monthly payments. So the monthly payments is how much you're going to pay each month. So if this is the total amount, the principal plus the interest that you're going to pay over that 5-year period, then all you have to do is to find the monthly payment. You know, there's 12 months in a year, so 12 times 5 is 60 months. So you're going to make 60 months of payments, okay? So 12 times 5 equals 60 months. And then all you're going to do is simply divide 10,700 divided by 60 months to find out the monthly payment. You're going to get 178.33333. And so again, we have a hint here telling us to round your answer to the nearest whole number. So then we're just going to put our monthly payment is $178 rounded to the nearest whole number. So I hope that helps. Keep on going. You're making great progress.